Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to work on this beautiful motif. As you can see here, it's really easy, only 2 rows repeat for make one motif, and then we join it together. It's up to you based on your project. You can make it bigger for blanket or cardigans or whatever you need, but in this case just I made only 4 for you. Let's get started. You can start by making magic loops, or you can just make a 6 chain, 2 3 4 5 6, then join it together, and we are going to make a poof stitch. For the first one I chain 2 and grab the yarn 3 times, 1 2 3, then join all together. This one consider as the first one. For separation we make 2 chains, then we grab the yarn 4 times, 1 2 3 and 4, join together, chain 2 again, and we keep continue like that until we have 8 poof stitches like that. I'll do that and I'll be back. As you can see here, I already make 8. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Now it's time to change the color. I'm going to insert my needle here and make 1 chain to join together, then jump to the next loop and start by make 7 double crochet, 2 3 4 5 6 and 7 like this. Then we chain 3, goes back to that loop and make another 7 double crochet, 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7. This one considered as a first corner. Then we jump to the next one, just make 1 single crochet. We repeat like this in the second loop, another loops, then single crochet in the next one until we have 4 corners, and I'll be back. As you can see here, at the end of row 2 I make 4 corners like this. What we have to do after the last one, we come to the loop here, make 1 single crochet and cut the yarn. This is the first motif. Now we are going to make another motif to join it to that one. For the second motif, I already start to make 2 corners. In the third corner, I just made the 7 first double crochet. Now it's time to join the motif together like this. Make sure the motif is face up. Instead of making 3 chain, I'm going to make 1 chain. Then I take another motif, the corner, insert my hook, grab the yarn, make 1 single crochet, chain 1 again. This one considered as a 3 chain. Then go back to the job, and make 7 double crochet. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7, like this. Then for the next loop I make 1 single crochet, goes back, go to the next loop and make 7 double crochet. 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Now it's time to join again two motifs together. Here I make 1 chain. I took, just make sure you take it the right way. Insert the hook, make 1 single crochet, chain 1 and back to the original motif and make another 7 double crochet. 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7, like this. Then goes to the next loop, make 1 single crochet, and this is the time to cut the yarn. Like this. I'm going to make another motif and join that part. Now I already make another motif. I make 2 corners, and for the third corner I make 7 double crochet, chain 1, take the motif, insert the hook here in the corner, chain, make 1 single crochet, chain 1, then back to the work and finish the corner by make 7 double crochet. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. The next corner we are going to loop, we are going to make 1 single crochet, and we are in the last loop. Again we make 7 double crochet, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Then time to join the motif again together, like this. Chain 1, insert the hook here between these two, make 1 single crochet, chain 1 and back to the work by finish the corner. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Then the last part we make 1 single crochet and cut the yarn. Like this. We make another motif to join this part together. Now we are going to make the last motif. As you can see here, again I already made the first double crochet, I chain 1, insert the hook here, join together by make a single crochet, chain 1, and back to the work. We make 7 double crochet, like this. For the next loop we make 1 chain, 1 single crochet, then goes to the next one to make another corner. 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Chain 1. Here we're going to join the pattern together in this one in the middle. Make 1 single crochet, 1 chain, and back to the original one. Like this. Then we make 1 single crochet here, goes to the another corner, make 7 double crochet, 1 chain. Now it's time to join to the last part. Insert the hook, make 1 single crochet, 1 chain, and back to the last part. Six and 7. The next loop make 1 single crochet, and we're doing the last corner by make 7 double crochet, 3 chain between, and 7 double crochet again. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Then the last one we make 1 single crochet, and this is the end of the job. You have to cut the yarn and as you can see here you have a square motif. That's all. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Thank you for watching and have a great day.